What's up, everyone? So I'm right here with invent or don't invent, and today I really want to talk about these things here. I don't know what they're called, but I'm sorry for my ugly hand there. But this thing comes apart, and it requires 3 batteries. You could buy a rechargeable battery unit for like $10 at Walmart, so keep that in mind. But anyway, and it comes with batteries as well, so it's not like the other ones where you spend like 20 bucks and then you have to buy the $20 batteries. But what I like about this is that I added like some, there's a top layer. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a top layer and a bottom layer right there. See that? But anyway, what I like about this is that you're able to remove this, pop this open. What I use is a fingernail trimmer, or you could grab like a knife, a screwdriver. But a screwdriver probably won't work because it's like a little bit too thick. But like a knife, a kitchen knife, real quick, and then you can wash it afterwards. But just pop that out really quickly. And then what I like about it is that you can actually refill it with any oil that you want. So you could go on the web and like search for religious oils. Let's go to Amazon. So spiritual oils on Amazon, and here you'll be able to buy just about any oil that you could think of. Anything that you like. Say eternity oil. Yeah, for men. See, like this one right here, and everyone knows this brand here, the Eternity fragrance oil. I mean, cologne. But there is oils that you could buy. Oil Eternity now for men. So pure perfume oil, grand perfumes, whatever. Like there's different kinds that you could purchase. And what I like about it is that like there's a scent fragrance, the fragrance machine, the machines. And what I like about this is that there's these right here, the Glade type of machines, and you have to keep buying these little dispenser things. And for some people, I guess it's not a problem, but for me, that I'm on a budget, as most people are, well, you would want to get with something like this, because you could actually replace your own oil with anything that you want in here. So when it runs out, all you have to do is replace it, pop it in here real quick, like that, and then put the casing on it, and you're good to go. And I don't know how this goes. So it goes like that. So anyway, and then you just put this anywhere, and then see it dispenses the fragrance. Now with these refill bottles are like $5, and see, the reason I'm sharing this with you guys is because my friend actually purchased these. Oh, there goes my damn machine. Oh my god, what a fail for the video. But anyways, let me show you guys really quickly. So there's this one here that I'm using, and then there's these three. And look at, they're not being used. Why? Because each little thing is super expensive. So that's why. And I believe that, you know, for someone that wants their home smelling good, but wants to do it on a more affordable budget, then well, use something like this. Go buy yourself one of these. It doesn't say the brand on it whatsoever anywhere that I can see. Oh, it's Wick. Right there, Wick. Wick. Hope you guys can see that. So yeah, it has three, the off, the first one, the second one, and the third one. So, and it requires 3 batteries. So I would recommend to purchase this and then maybe buy yourself some better batteries that are rechargeable. But I posted something on my page on Invent or Don't Invent just recently. If you go to my photos section, so go here to the Facebook page, go to photos, and then wall plug outlet advanced invent or don't invent. So you click on that. And what I was thinking was something like this, where imagine the unit, this thing here. I guess someone would have to do it, but this thing would be like right there, this thing, the object. That would be the object. And then imagine if you could have like a cord that you could connect it to the power, so then you wouldn't have to use batteries. So you could keep your oil dispensing at all times without having to worry about the batteries. And then imagine if they made a smaller one like this that could hold this, and you know, where you can plug it into the wall right away or immediately or whatever, like this. So now you would have something like this with this plugged in and not having to worry about the outlet. But this here would be like if you want to move it out or not. So now all you would have to do is replace that oil on your own time, which is cool. So yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and buy yourself one of these Wicks. I'm using it, I'm testing it out, and I'm hoping that I could buy myself some more oils. And there's a bunch of oils, like I was mentioning, on for, like, let's go to natural oils. See, Eternity. Well, there's some here, but well, you guys already know that you could purchase these, but you know, you don't know that the oil is going to be replaceable or not. There's coffee bean oil. I mean, there's a bunch of them. And we could take this. Oh, no wonder I was showing that. I wanted just to go to like fragrance. Oils for dispenser. See, like, see right here, $7. And this here will only last you a little bit of time. 120 days of fragrance, but up to 120 days of fragrance. But remember, if you have it on the high setting, this will go out really quickly. And then if you have it on the low setting, it's very cheap. Like, it doesn't really throw out a lot. There's these I tried messing with these, and I think I was able to pop these out as well. So these are good to buy too, the Airwick ones, where you could put your own oil once they run out. Um, so yeah. Um, anyway, let me go to the internet and search for just out of that, and let me go to some people do this type of concept as well, which is cool too, because the sticks, the wood absorbs the oil, and then it goes out and you can smell it, um, in in your living space, room, restroom, which is pretty cool as well. But see, look at, there's a bunch of oils that you could purchase online, and you could easily, um, or you look at this. There's some of these at the store that you could buy. Um, healthy, natural, healthy concepts. You could also go to like your local grocery store that I'm sure they will sell them there. Some of them, like natural ones. But anyway, you guys get the idea. I guess I don't really have to show you guys anymore. I hope you guys like this video. Um, have a great day. God bless everyone. And yeah, get yourself one of these. Peace out.